Friends, hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can reset your voicemail password, even if you suddenly forgot it. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure, friends, to put your likes and also write comments after watching. So, let's get started. Please open the settings on your iPhone. Then, friends, you will need to scroll down to the very bottom and select the Apps section. Next, please find the phone app, open it up and scroll to the very bottom. And at the very bottom, if you have voicemail enabled, then you will be able to see the option to change voicemail password. Click on that option. And you don't need to remember your previous password to change it. All you will need to do is enter a new password of 7 numbers and then click Next and confirm your new voicemail password by entering it again. After that, it's very easy to change and reset your new voicemail password. And for that, you don't need to remember and enter your old password details. Dear friends, I really hope the video helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be sure to put your likes. Bye.